Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to or where to turn on Speak Keyboard Input Aloud function in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility options, and in Accessibility we have Spoken Assistance. At the top, Speak Keyboard Input Aloud. When we turn on this option, we can go to our message
GYD79,
and as you can see, our spoken Speak Keyboard Input Aloud assist is working as intended. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.